what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shy. I'm about to open up these packages. I had ordered some products for my nails, as you can see, a couple of Amazon packages, and then I had ordered this like phone recorder from this Instagram that I seen on. No, this company I seen on Instagram from this other nail tech. So we finna get right into it. This the shelves for my like nail polishes or whatever I want to hang on the wall, because I'm gonna put it up back there. Let's see. They got screws and stuff. This is it. So we gonna hang this up on the wall eventually. Then I guess this the company Finelli. Finelli, something like that. Then got this. I don't know what this is. Why is it already open? That's what it is. It's cute. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna put it here like this. Take this off. Like that. Screw that on there. Alright, and there you have it. You got the phone stand. And then it can do it like this. You can even, oh, okay. Next, this is what I seen off Instagram. It's like another, like when I'm recording, doing nails and stuff. Yes. It got the little, I guess that's like the charger port. Oh, but it's called Unique. I don't know how you say that. It got a field light, 2 sides, full angle shoe, free high angle shoe. It's foldable up to 3 hours. And then it goes up to 130 centimeters as far as height. So yes, period. When I seen this on Instagram, I seen this girl post this, I was like, oh, I got to get this. And then another thing, they do Afterpay, period. But yeah, this is what this is. Now I'm gonna do another video to open this up because I want to do it separately. Oh, look at this. Wow. So it's like that.
It's like a little button remote.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna open this up on a different video. And then last but not least, this got a little extra stuff in it. So I got some, y'all, look how this came. Somebody been tampering with my stuff. But these some gloves. But anyway, some pink gloves. Got the medium size because my hands kind of big. I ordered some McCart nail bits, some drill bits, because I needed some new ones. My old ones, they kind of rusty. I've been having it for about 2 years. Got some new ones. So we gonna put them to use. And I'm gonna be recording. I just ain't got around to like recording a video doing my own nails. As I can see, look at my nails. Like, this is crazy. And last but not least, I feel like Christmas. I've been waiting to get one of these for so long. And it's the packaging for me. This shit is all bent up, like, what? A nail dust collector. So when I'm doing nails, you know how y'all drilling and stuff and all that dust be flying everywhere. You can get this and it collects the dust. So I've been waiting to get one of these. I'm gonna plug it up, and then like my client, she can put her nails, so it'll be like this. It's not blowing it out, as you can see, because my hair not blowing, but it blows on the inside. So what this is for, I don't know. I guess it's that's pretty much it. Everything that I ordered for this content that I'm about to create. Nails, all kind of content coming. I'm gonna put this stuff to use because yes ma'am. But anyway y'all, so I just wanted to record and show y'all the little goodies that I had got off Amazon. And like I said, I'm gonna be recording another video for this bad boy. I'm really excited to use this and see how this goes. So y'all just stay tuned.